We are in Savannah. Savannah. You're hilarious. Okay. Y'all, they're doing work out here. Like, what Broughton looks like it's in shambles. Shambles. In shambles. What? We are on the rooftop, people. Period. Got a fire pit. Can you feel it? Is it warm? Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Okay, the fire's a little weak, but it's there. Come on now, spark this thing up. Spark the hell up. Yeah. Shoot! Margaritas! Margaritas! You want a margarita? I knew you was my child. It just took me a little minute to get accustomed and acquainted. Tequila makes me twerk. Oh. I might be twerking on the side of the pool by the end of the night. Okay. Look at this. Y'all, there's literally steam coming up because this is heated. But who about to dip themselves in this pool? Who about to dip themselves in this pool? Shoot, y'all would be sick, okay? Got a little sweet bitch going. Oh yeah. A little sweet bitch.
Little sweet bitch.
Little sweet bitch.
So you guys know what's going on. So because last moving vlog I didn't really talk much, y'all were just watching me like build stuff and put stuff together. But this time I want to talk to y'all. I want to like talk to y'all more, okay? Because I know this is what y'all come for. Y'all come for the personality. You don't just come for sped up clips with music all the whole vlog, you know? So yeah, that is what we are getting into today. Right now it is 2 o'clock, so I'm about to clock in because I clock in at 2:30. So right now I'm about to like do like my nighttime routine because your girl is exhausted, okay? So I'm about to
exhausted.
I'll let y'all see me make up the bed and stuff. And then
let's make up the bed and stuff, period. With my little mask on too, period. Oops. Not bestie in the cut. That's the only reason why I wanted to come here. See my people. I got to see my people, man. And we just ordered some food, so we about to eat soon. Mommy is changing her outfit right now. Oh gosh. Y'all, look at her shirt.
Oh wow.
Hold on, turn to the front. Let us see you. This WAP is off the market. Mood, okay. She's living her best life, okay.
Did you see his face?
She's living her best life, okay. Listen. Living her best life, okay. I love your life, sis. I love your life. I got me a crab cake sandwich. Yes, I didn't know it was gonna have pickle on it. It's interesting. Walking on the deadly stones. The deadly stones.
Yeah. Oh.
Carefully. Carefully. Good morning from Savannah. Savannah. Ooh, it's cold, y'all. My auntie's is here. And we're cold. Where's the other auntie? She's over there. Oh God. Ooh, my hands are cold. Okay, Okay.
Which way do we go, George?
I literally don't know which way we go, so someone tell me. I don't know where we're going. I don't even know where we're going, y'all. But let's walk on some level ground. So pretty though, look. That's where we going? Okay. Absolutely not. I don't like birds. I don't like birds. You know that. Today's supposed to be the warm day, y'all. Like, what are we doing? It's supposed to be almost 60 degrees out here today. This where we going? Everybody inside looking all warm and stuff. Rocks River. All right, let's go. I don't know if the bridge has been in this vlog at all. I don't know if I got the bridge in this vlog at all, so here we go.
That truck looked like
an ant. And I zoomed in, so y'all getting it close up. We far away from it right now. I'm sorry. Get this water cup out of here, man.
that's our shot glass. I'm buying everybody's shot before we leave.
Oh God.
Like we did the other day.
Yeah, I gotta be. Cheers. Cheers to me. Mommy said cheers to me.
Hold your glass? Okay.
You want me to hold your glass? You gotta hold your glass. Period, period, period. The things we gotta do. Okay, that's enough. Y'all, this was so good.
Wait, I'm missing something.
It's gone.
Oh, jalapeno.
It's gone. Okay. We're at the outlets now. Yes, sir. I sound like Menelik. We're trying to be safe here with the hand sanitizer. You broke the top off. Just put it back on. It's okay. Look at these dolphins. Like, who thinks of that? I don't know if y'all can see anything because the sun is so bright. I'm happy the weather turned around for us. I don't know if y'all have seen me at all in this vlog, but I got the camera around my neck, so it's just easier to point and shoot at this point. But we're at Tanger. I just want to say that it is so beautiful out here. And I'm so happy that the sun came out and it warmed up like it said in the forecast. I'm so happy that it actually happened. And I'm very grateful to be here right now. We're in the Polo store. So your girl has decided to get her belly button pierced and to also change the color of my nose ring because the color kind of fades over time. So I'm gonna get the color changed and I'm gonna get a belly ring. Hopefully everything goes well. She has to look at my body and make sure I can hold the ring and everything. So I'm excited. This is a very like spur of the moment type of thing. The piercing shop that I like is actually here in Savannah. So I was like, maybe I can do this now and be like, you know, not having a fresh piercing on my birthday in a few weeks. So I'm excited. It's almost my turn. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting. They're behind schedule and I'm texting Serena like, oh my God. It's okay. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be amazing. Y'all, your girl got a belly ring. Oopsies. I'm trying to get the angle, man. Yes, mamas. Look at it. It's shining in the sunlight. Oop, 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 oop. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Let me stop. Ah! Also changed the color of my nose ring. I don't know if the sun is too bright for y'all to see, but it's like a pinkish purple color now. Ooh, stop playing with her. Y'all can't even see. I'm gonna update y'all when we get back to the hotel because I'm just still outside and I'm waiting for them to come pick me up. So I'll see y'all in a minute. I can't deal with her. I can't. That looks gross, Dad. I'm zooming in on it. What's in there? Wait, keep mixing it. What are you doing? No. No. Little photo shoot moment. Yes. Y'all, this drink is good. Yes. This is such a vibe. It is such a vibe. Yeah. Alright, y'all, this restaurant that we're at, they said whenever a ship comes by, we get a $1 shot. Let's get it. Oops. 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 Yo, these people are lit in here, man.
Hey, man.
Why do they got me lit in here? What?
Gotta be lit. It's a pandemic.
It's a pandemic.
Oh, it's your weather. It's your pandemic.
What is happening? Did you just pass out?
What he be like, it's a pandemic. What you be thinking?
What are you drinking? Oh, God.
Vodka.
Vodka.
Hey, ready to get it started. Hey. Huh? You ain't getting McDonald's. You getting McDonald's. Wait, what we getting?
Y'all, I don't think I ever showed y'all the view in our new room. What's happening? Oh, oops. This is our new room view. Oh God, it looks crazy on the camera right now. Ew, gross. No. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's cold out here. I'm going back inside. Yeah, we switched rooms from yesterday. So we got a balcony view now. Oops. I'm hanging. Why am I talking about? I'm hanging up. Why am I saying I'm hanging up? This is not a phone call. Good morning from Savannah. Oh, I'm looking real bright. The sun is so bright. Shine bright like a diamond. Sunday now, so we're heading out, heading home. We got our little thing in here. We're getting it all packed up. A little discombobulated this morning. But it's a little bit like just like feeling like exhausted, honestly, not like lit or anything. We're about to go downstairs and get some tea and some breakfast or something. I don't know what I was thinking, but I left my moisturizer for my face at home, so my face is dry, a little bit dry. Just putting a little something on there, not too much. It's been fun. Can't wait to be back home though. Back to our regular schedule program tomorrow. How crazy is that? But this was a little fun, quick getaway. Yes, it was. We're gonna focus. Much needed getaway. A much deserved getaway, period. Say that, okay? It's pretty nice out today. Praise God for the sun shining. It's really not warm out today, but that's okay. So yeah, these were our views. I was trying to show y'all last night, but it was kind of dark. These are the views from the new room that we got. Very pretty. I love it here. Savannah's Bay. Still very much stuck on the fact that I did this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And it's twinkling in the sun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. I'm sure that how my belly ring is twinkling in the sun. Period. Period. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Alright, let me get out this. It's like really, really sunny right here. It's like crazy. It's really crazy. We got a bagel and some tea. Two tea bags, man. 2. I need to put this steaming water in the microwave, apparently. No, thank you. We about to head out. Until next time, I'll be back here real soon. I'm excited. So we about to head out. Made it back to my parents' house. we had the time of our lives, okay? It was real, it was a trip. We enjoyed ourselves, and now, you know, that's the end of this video. Now we back to our regular scheduled program. Okay, gotta work tomorrow, probably gotta work today once I get home. That's fine. We turned up, we had a good time. So thanks for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.